In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up and optimize your Google Business profile to ensure that your business stands out on Google Search and Maps. As some of you may know, this tool was formerly known as Google My Business. It's a fantastic and free way to manage your online presence, display crucial information, and engage actively with your customers. Let's start with the basics of setting it up. To begin, you'll need to sign into your Google account. If you don't have one specifically for your business, it might be a good idea to create one so that your business communications are organized separately from your personal emails. Head over to the Google Business Profile website and click on Manage Now. You'll find this option prominently placed to guide you smoothly into the setup process. Once you're there, the first task is to enter your business name. Make sure you spell it exactly as you want it to appear to potential customers. Consistency is key across all platforms. After that, you'll be prompted to choose a business category. Be thoughtful about this choice, as it will help Google understand what your business offers and match you with the right audience. Now comes the physical address. If you have a storefront, enter the address here. But if you're a service area business, you might choose to hide your address and list the areas you serve instead. This is especially useful for businesses like plumbing services or mobile pet groomers. Once you've nailed down the address, it's time to add your contact details. This is where you'll enter your phone number and website, if applicable. Having this information readily available allows potential customers to easily get in touch or learn more. Next, you'll see a section for business hours. Be as accurate as possible here, as this is often a deciding factor for customers considering a visit. Here's a crucial tip. Upload high-quality, inviting photos of your business. Visuals really matter in this digital age. Photos can convey the atmosphere of your business far better than words can. Add pictures of your products, your team, and customers, if you have their consent. It makes your profile more engaging and trustworthy to new visitors. Once everything is set up, click the Finish button. But don't stop there. Google will mail you a verification card. Keep an eye out for it because once it arrives, you'll need to use it to verify your business. This verification is crucial as it legitimizes your profile in the eyes of customers and enhances your visibility on Google. Finally, consider routinely revisiting your profile, updating details, posting new photos, and responding to reviews. Keeping your information current not only helps your SEO ranking, but also keeps you in touch with your community. And there you have it, your guide to setting up a robust and effective Google Business profile. With your profile live, you're all set to make the most of what Google offers and reach your customers more effectively than ever before. Thank you for tuning in, and I wish you all the best in growing your business online.